How to clear your WhatsApp history in WhatsApp on iPhone. Doing so is very simple. First, make sure that the WhatsApp app is up to date on your device and be sure that you have an active WhatsApp account. So tap on it and open the WhatsApp account on your device. You have it that I have my WhatsApp account here. You can see that I have some button here. You have view, chat, community, calls, and update. Then tap on calls. Once tap on calls, you have access to all the outgoing calls that you have here. Your call history. You have the call history here now. To clear this call history, here is what you need to do. Scroll down until you to this place. Then go ahead and tap on this three dots at top of the screen. And here you see the edit button. Tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, it comes out like this. Now, you have the minus button or minus option at the front of each of the call logs here. So tap on this minus button. Then tap on this edit button. That will be taken away from it. Tap on it again, then tap on this button. That will be taken away from it again. Then if you tap on it again and you tap on delete, then you are deleting this one after the other. Once you are done with the particular color you want to remove, then tap on done button. Now you can see that we've removed that. But if you want to clear all call history, if you want to clear WhatsApp call history and WhatsApp on your iPhone at once, it's very simple as well. Now you have them here. Take a look at what I have here. I have many of them here. Now scroll down to the base of this page again. Tap on the three dots again. Then tap on the edit button. Then tap on this clear at the top right corner here. Now you have it here. Tap on clear history. You can see every history has been wiped out. That's it, guys. We've been able to clear call history in WhatsApp on iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for new updates like this.